Check out this little mini Ninja right here. This thing has 1,900 miles on it. It's basically brand new. The finish on it is absolutely spectacular. It shines like it just came out of the box. Classic Ferrari red with the purple and the aluminum. It just really ties together nice. This is a twin cam, 8 valve, a little screamer. This thing has 37 rear wheel horsepower according to Kawasaki on this bulletproof 250 Ninja. Liquid cooled, 14,000 RPM redline. This thing starts making power at around 10,000 RPM. It's just been tuned by the mechanic himself. We went through it top to bottom. Didn't need much. It's got the newly rebuilt Key and CB carburetors. It'll get damn near close to 60 miles per gallon. Smooth linear power. If you don't want to rev it to the moon, you can putt around town 3, 4, 5,000 RPM, getting killer fuel mileage. But when you want to have some fun on the back roads, just wick her up and she'll go, go, go all day long. Very sturdy frame, typical Kawasaki reliability. Front and rear disc brakes from the Ninja line, which means they're good. It weighs 304 pounds dry with 37 horsepower, low seat height. It's a perfect entry-level sport bike, or one that you can take with you in your camper, or if you're going on vacation in the back of your truck. It's lightweight, easy to handle, affordable, 1,900 miles. It's all stock, original condition, except for the upgrade of the COBRA exhaust and the jetting that was done on it by the mechanic. It's got a brand new battery in it, new engine oil. He removed and cleaned the carburetors, micro drilled the pilot jets so it starts beautifully, it runs awesome, set the fuel screws, cleaned out the tank, put fresh 94 octane ethanol free fuel in it, set the front and rear tire pressures, gave it a 100-point checkout. Every nut and bolt on the bike's been gone over, all the lights and gauges work perfectly. It really is like a time capsule. It's like finding a brand new motorcycle, 1,900 miles on it. It ain't even broken in. 35 years old and it's like brand new. Got clean title in hand. This is what I'll call a no excuses machine. And when you hear this thing fire up, putting the helmet on. Anytime I get in a Ninja, this is a real deal. You gotta put a helmet on. Electric start. Machine. This thing's an absolute rush. It's fast, so to go at highway speeds all day long, getting double the fuel mileage of pretty much anything else on the road, and it looks badass. It looks and sounds like a mini Ducati. You hear it coming down the road. One of the guys who used to work here had one of these. You could hear him coming a mile away, and I was like, "What is that thing? Is that a Ducati?" It's a Ninja 250. It's badass. It's fun. It's affordable. It's not going to kill you. It's not going to do 180 miles an hour, but it will go well over 100. It'll do the ton. It'll do 105, and with ease, and it's super comfortable. You can just lug the engine at 3,000 or 4,000 RPM or rev it to the moon. Either way, you're going to get great performance, and it's legendary Kawasaki reliability. The clutch, the transmission, all electrical. Everything on this bike is mechanically perfect, and cosmetically it's gorgeous. What else can I say? Good luck finding a nicer 250 Super Sport. I don't think there's a better 250 class machine from this era out there. This is the one that set the standard. It's a kick-ass machine. Buy with confidence. This one's gonna go up in value. It's not gonna drop in value. It's super easy to own and operate, and very, very low maintenance. Kawasaki Diamond. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.